If Jobber isn't sending invoices, the problem is usually one of three things. The invoice was never marked to send, the customer email is wrong, or your automation settings are off. Most fixes take less than 5 minutes. By the end of this, you'll know how to find the issue and get invoices sending again without wasting time. Here's the fix. Start by checking the invoice status. Open the job, go to the invoice, and make sure it was actually created and not still sitting as a draft. Draft invoices don't send. That's the first thing to verify. Next, check the customer email. Open the client profile and confirm the email address is correct. One missing letter or old email can stop delivery. That sounds obvious, but it's one of the most common causes. Now check the send method. Inside the invoice screen, look for whether it's set to send by email or manually. If it's manual, Jobber won't push it out automatically. Switch it to email and resend. That fixes a lot of cases. Next section. Automation settings. If you rely on Jobber automations, open your workflow settings. Check whether invoice automation is turned on after job completion. If it's disabled, finished jobs won't trigger invoices. That means the work gets done, but billing never starts. Also check if the job was marked complete. Jobber often ties invoice triggers to job completion. If the visit is still open or incomplete, the invoice workflow may not fire. That's an easy miss. Now, check spam and delivery. Ask the customer to check spam, promotions, or junk folders. Sometimes the invoice sends fine but gets filtered. If that happens, resend and ask them to whitelist your business email. If nothing works, send the invoice link manually. Open the invoice, copy the share link, and text or email it directly. That keeps payment moving while you fix the root issue. If the problem keeps happening, log out and back in, then test by sending yourself an invoice. That tells you fast whether it's an account issue or customer-specific issue. If even test invoices fail, it's usually time to contact Jobber support. The three things to remember are simple. Check draft status, verify customer email, and confirm automation settings. The next step is to send yourself a test invoice right now. That's the fastest way to isolate the problem. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.